A will does not need to be complicated or expensive. What it needs is to be legally valid. Here is how to make a will in India that protects your wishes and your family from disputes. Any person of sound mind who is not a minor can make a will. You, the testator, must understand the nature of the act, the extent of your property, and the claims of those who might expect to benefit. A will made while insane or intoxicated is not valid, and one obtained by fraud, coercion, or undue influence can be set aside. For Hindus, Christians, Parsis, and others, the governing law is the Indian Succession Act 1925. Muslims follow their personal law. Section 63 of the Indian Succession Act sets the rules. You must sign the will, or affix your mark, or have someone sign it in your presence and by your direction, placed so it gives effect to the document as a will. Then comes the crucial part: attestation by 2 or more witnesses. Each witness must have seen you sign or received your personal acknowledgement of the signature, and each must sign in your presence. The 2 witnesses need not be present at the same time.
Choose witnesses who are not beneficiaries under the will. It is prudent to keep them independent, so no one can later allege interest or influence. If the testator is elderly or unwell, a doctor makes a useful witness who can testify to soundness of mind. Also appoint an executor, the trusted person who will collect the assets, pay debts, and distribute the estate.
Open by identifying yourself and declaring this your last will, revoking all earlier wills. List your assets and specify who receives what. Name guardians for minor children where relevant. Add a residuary clause covering any property not specifically mentioned, and end with your signature, the date, and the attestation of the 2 witnesses. Plain, unambiguous language and precise descriptions prevent the gaps that lead to litigation. Registration is optional. An unregistered will is fully valid if it satisfies Section 63. But registering with the sub-registrar under the Registration Act 1908 has real advantages: an official record, less risk of loss or tampering, and a stronger answer to forgery claims. There is no stamp duty on a will, and you can revoke or change your will at any time by a new will or a codicil, a supplement that modifies the existing one. Probate is a certified copy of the will granted by a court, confirming it is genuine and giving the executor authority. It is mandatory only in limited areas, notably for wills made by Hindus, Buddhists, Sikhs, and Jains within the former presidency towns of Kolkata, Mumbai, and Chennai, or relating to immovable property there. To prove a will in court, at least one attesting witness must ordinarily be examined, another reason to choose witnesses who will be available. Sound mind, clear words, your signature, 2 witnesses. That is a valid will. For more details, visit our website and subscribe.